like that idea of putting the shelf in there and then running the screws in the middle. I think I'll need to run to town and get me a couple more 2x6s. But I like to do that on both sides. Ties that wall in really good. So I'm waiting for a guy that's supposed to be on his way to come see me, and he's a YouTuber, and he was supposed to be here yesterday, and then he said he'd be here this morning. He's still not here. He's been having some mechanical trouble. I don't know how much longer I can wait though, because I like to move along, get some things done. Right now I'm getting some things done, but I'm running out of lumber, so. Come on, buddy. Waiting for you. Mm-hmm. In here, and plus, you know, I feel like these shelves help to strengthen these walls because they tie these posts together in a secondary spot. They're tied together up top, and then they're tied together here, and then they're tied together. They're tied to the ground down there. So I put a post over here yesterday, and on that side I'm putting the shelf. I said post. I put a shelf over there in such a way that where the two pieces of tin join each other, I can shoot screws from the back side into the shelves from outside. That way I can tie together that piece of tin that runs down that side of the building. So what I'm going to do now is go to work on that, and yeah, it'll be very much like what I've been doing here, except I'll be doing it there. Does that make sense? Probably not. Or maybe it just seems redundant, or who knows. Anyway, I did hang the ladder up here. Seemed like a really good place to put the ladder so it's out of the way and all. So let's see, maybe boat's blocking too much of the view from there. Maybe I can just sit y'all kind of up here. Yeah, maybe that'll give you a good spot to watch. You might not want something quite this big for there. You should go with something smaller for right there. Okay, so that's about good enough for out here. In here, next thing I'll do is go out here and shoot some screws in like we were talking about before on that wall. Oh joy. Alrighty then.